I'll show how to buy shares of OneGas Inc. OneGas is a U.S. natural gas distribution company that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker OGS. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you'll need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OGS to locate the listing. Select the OneGas Inc. result that matches the NASDAQ ticker to open its asset page. On the stock page, review the company profile and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Verify the ticker OGS and key business details before proceeding to purchase. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest or the number of shares, then carefully review the order parameters and any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, you can place a pending order or wait for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For the platform link and more information, check the description below.